Remember our coverage of the budget, that's the Finance Bill 2023, begins at 6 a.m. all the way to 11 p.m. tomorrow. So stay tuned to KTN News. Away from the news about the budget, let's move to another unfortunate story here where 8 police officers died after their patrol vehicle ran over an improvised explosive device. Now, the officers drawn from the Special Forces unit were on routine patrol in Bondei area along the Lamu-Garissa border when that incident occurred. All the officers are said to have died on the spot. The incident happened hours after a passenger bus traveling from Nairobi to Mandera was also attacked on Tuesday. The bus was sprayed with bullets, puncturing a tire. The driver, however, managed to speed off. Security officers are blaming the attacks on suspected Al-Shabaab militants. Well, there was drama at the Shanzu Law Court after one of the controversial preachers